Hi, Jose Vega here, your federally certified court interpreter. Okay, attorneys, today I have a different type of video. So usually I give tips and tricks on how to work with interpreters. This tip is also going to apply with to how you work in your own depositions using Zoom. As you may have noticed, today I have a blue screen right behind me. And this is great for when you are in a Zoom depot. Of course, you know this, um, but there's some tricks that you should know. First of all, when you're doing a Zoom depot, um, you need to use, if at all possible, try to get a headset. Try to get a headset. The court reporters will love you for it. I haven't seen that many attorneys use the headsets. They certainly help us, the interpreters, hear a lot better. You'll notice that many court reporters, or most court reporters, do use headsets. It helps the court reporters and it helps us interpreters hear a lot better because we need to catch every single word. One word that we miss may affect the translation. So it's good if you can get your interpreters, whoever you hire as an interpreter, to use a headset for your Zoom depositions or examinations. And if you use a headset yourself, you will make the interpreter's job easier. But do whatever you feel comfortable doing. You need to feel at home. You need to know. You need to be in the mood, in the zone. So if the headset throws you off, by all means, discard it. As long as you're not in the same room with your client, that also has a laptop on, and we can hear background noise and paper shuffling and all that, you should be fine. I'll do another video regarding telephone interpreting and paper shuffling and an experience I had with an immigration interview. Horrible. But let me one more thing that I wanted to mention, another tip, is regarding the blue screen. You may have noticed that in this video, you see that it is shorter, or may not be as wide as the normal widescreen that I use. But this is what I'm doing. Let me show you. If you go to Zoom settings, video settings, in video settings, you can click on original ratio and HD. And look at what happened. See what happened? When you go into widescreen and HD, it's usually wider now with the new cameras that laptops have, right? So it kind of defeats the purpose of having a green screen in the back. Even though it's blue, they call it a green screen because green is the better color. So if I would have to give you some advice as to how to buy one of these, even though it's more expensive, buy the wider one. I would have liked to have bought the one that was wider. All right, I'm gonna get it eventually. So get the wide one. It's gonna cost more, maybe even double, but get the wider one. And green may be more appropriate, but for effects. But I think that for our profession, the legal profession in general, I'm not an attorney. Uh, I think blue matches most environments that we will be in. It's more professional looking, unless you're going to have actual images in the back, right? Which may be better with color green, but I use images here all the time, and they work fine with the blue. Let me show you. I guess for better, more advanced stuff, more high quality, you would use a green one. Maybe have both. You have a blue one and a green one. Hey, if you have the money to splurge on that, I like my gadgets. I like spending money on my little gadgets. I've showed you my little wireless equipment and the mask and all that. Okay, let's see this. Okay, there you go. Okay, I have to enable green screen. I have to click on I have green screen and it does it better. See? That looks professional. And I have the one with the courtroom in the background. Look at this one. There we go. So this one is from from the table. You're not on the bench. It looks very professional, I believe. It looks like one of the courtrooms that we have in Palm Beach, the federal courthouse in Palm Beach. Well, I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe. Get all the alerts so you can be alerted each time a new video comes out. Also, you can go to legaltranslations.net. Check us out /blog. You can subscribe to the blog and get a notification every time I post a new article. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon.